If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Anoukis bag, a Sacartonne pattern. How cute is this circle bag? This was so much fun to make. So this is a great bag if you have a fabric or a panel that you want to frame with some beautiful piping. There's a mixture of different faux leathers on this. On the back, we have a zipper pocket. We have a recessed zipper. And on the inside, we have a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. And for a small circle bag, it is actually quite roomy. Yeah, I just love it. So this one I have made with a crossbody strap, so you can wear it on your shoulder or you can lengthen it to wear it as a crossbody. You can see it's not small, but it's not large either. It's a great little circle bag. I just love the retro feel of it. Let me put it on crossbody to show what it looks like. So again, it's an adjustable crossbody strap, and then you can wear it crossbody as well if you wanted. She is amazing. I just love this pattern. So if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, I do have a tutorial making this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.